Get ready with me to go see Janet Jackson. Still can't believe it. After my moisturizer, I always start with a primer, and sometimes you just gotta take a second to breathe. Because I was going out, I decided to try this. I don't know, it's just something that you put under your makeup. It doesn't really do anything, but I've had it for years and I just wanted to use it. It is a face illuminator, just to see if I could give myself a little added glow under my makeup. Next, I have my Super Stay Maybelline New York foundation, color 360. I'm actually in the process of trying to declutter and go through all of my makeup before I buy any new makeup. My favorite makeup, my MAC, I can't remember what it was, but my MAC got discontinued, so now I'm just going through all of my different foundations. And since I'm going to the concert, I am adding a little bit more than I usually do than when I go to work, so I can just have a good flawless look. Next, I go into adding my concealer, which is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer Corrector. And this is actually my favorite concealer because it doesn't crease throughout the day. And I believe the color is deep olive. I know that was my favorite color, but I can't tell what color this is. And what I always preach when it comes to doing makeup is you have to be sure that you blend out the edges. That's how you get a seamless finished look, no matter what kind of brand of makeup you use. Always blend out your edges. It does take some time, but it is always worth it in the end. Once I have blended everything out to my liking, I go into my Milani Medium Deep Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder. And like I said, I'm decluttering, and what I usually use is CoverGirl Loose Powder and Translucent Honey. Once all of that is set, I go in with my Maybelline New York Super Stay 24-Hour Hybrid Powder in color 360 all over my face. And then I get my bronzer, which is L'Oreal Infallible in Deep Dark Bronzer. With the leftover bronzer, I go through and just pinch the brush and try to give a little shape to my nose. The look is starting to come together, and I go into the Cream Shop Mon Cherie French Kiss blush. My favorite YouTuber taught me this blush trick, and it's once you finish putting your blush on, get your foundation brush and just help blend out and smooth the edges of your blush so it's a seamless transition. I use 3 setting sprays: Milani Make It Last Original, Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go, and One Size On Till Dawn. I only pull this out for special occasions. Then we have a little bit more highlighter. I do like to highlight my cheeks, my nose, my Cupid's bow, but I just need to take a moment for these locks because, you know, they were just looking good in this shot. Microlocs to the end. When I'm doing my makeup for work, I do not use eyeshadow, but you know, since I was in these streets, I had to pull out my Juvia's Place palette, and it is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. If you are still here with me in this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you like things about Microlocs and makeup, I'm here. I'm your girl. I am not a professional at any of this stuff. I'm just a DIY girl. Now it's time for these eyebrows. Eyebrows are my, I guess, my other favorite because, you know, even with or without like a full beat, eyebrows bring like your look together for me. I can go out with just some eyebrows and some mascara and be good to go. But the reason I called to bring your attention to the owner of Inspire MB Beauty Bar, which is now closed. The owner had a stroke last year, and she's like an OG YouTube creator. She's on Instagram, and I just wanted to bring some attention to her because she does have a GoFundMe to help support her and cover some of her medical bills. Add her information in the description box, and just so you can know a little bit more about her story. Please make sure you're taking care of yourself. Stress is real, and apparently stress can cause strokes. So I just wanted to bring some attention to her profile, and if you're able to help her in any way, please do. Now you're still getting ready with me, so let's go transition and get these lips finished and this hair done. Now to the hair, I did my favorite, which are bangs, and I just wanted to do something a little different. In my opinion, I could have just left it like this. That was a whole look right there in itself. You know what I'm talking about? But moving on, pulling up the back and the middle. What I should have done was pulled up this second part and left it at that, because at this point my back needed a retie, and this look was just fine. But being extra, because I'm going to see Janet, I pulled up this back part. I think I had a vision in mind, but I should have left it down. Pin the bangs so they're not all in my face, all in my eyes all night, and I'm pretty much done. If you're still here, leave me a heart in the comments. I appreciate your time. I thank you so much. And I'll share some clips from the night. I took the sound out because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. I worked too hard on this video. Don't forget to check the description box for the information on Drea on TV. I appreciate you so much for watching, more than you could ever know. Thank you for your time. Bye.